At Excel Group of Schools, every child's future begins with the right learning path. We bring three educational boards under one roof, offering the freedom to choose what suits your child best. Excel Central School, with the ICSE curriculum, builds strong foundation and values. Excel Global School, following ICSE, promotes global perspective and critical thinking. Excel Pathway School, with the CBSE syllabus, strengthens concepts and academic excellence. Through experiential learning, students learn by doing, exploring, and growing with confidence. Supported by dedicated educators and a nurturing environment, children are prepared for success in life. Your learning is an experience, not just a lesson. Our STEAM Exploratorium opens a world of discovery with facilities like the Space Observatory, Oxeye Garden Library, and Excel Wisdom Center, inspiring young minds to explore beyond boundaries. Students learn through experience in our advanced science laboratories, AI and robotics lab, animation, coding and design lab, aerospace lab, and skill development labs, including CNC machining, lathe, tailoring, and carpentry. Innovation means sustainability through aquaponics, integrated organic farming, culinary lab, and automobile engineering lab, preparing students for real-world challenges. We also nurture strength and teamwork through sports such as football, basketball, cricket, volleyball, swimming, badminton, karate, chess, and many more. We have a well-equipped music and dance studio where they express their creativity through rhythm, movement, and performance. Admissions are now open. Excel Group of Schools, one campus, 3 boards, endless opportunities.